blissful morning to all. Today in this video, we will explore South America, looking at its latitude, longitude, political divisions and its major physical features. Okay, the South America is the fourth largest continent. Okay, the first one is the Asia, and after the Asia, the Africa, the second largest continent, and the North America is the third largest continent, and the fourth, that is the South America. Okay, South America is the fourth largest continent. The total geographical land of the South America is a 70,840 million square kilometer. The total geographical area of South America is a 17,840 million square kilometer, and it covers 1/8 of land on the earth. Okay, it covers 1/8 of the land on the earth. To know the location and the latitude and physical features, we will draw one map of South America here. So here, South America, it extends from 11 degree north latitude to 55 degree south latitude. Okay. So South America, it extends from 11 degree north to 55 degree south. Latitude means what? Latitude means imaginary lines which run from east to west. Okay, here see, this is a globe. Okay, the imaginary lines run from the east to west, like this. This is called a latitude. Okay, and the largest line of latitude is the equator, okay, which divide the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, the imaginary lines run from east to west is a latitude, and the largest line of latitude is the equator, and this line is also known as a great circle. Okay, here the latitude of South America is a 12 degree north to 55 degree south, and longitude is a 35 degree west to 81 degree west longitude. And this South America, it lies in a western and southern hemisphere. Okay, lies in a western and southern hemisphere. And the Tropic of Capricorn, it runs in a midway of South America. Tropic of Capricorn is run in a midway of South America, and the equator, it passes in the northern part of South America. Equator, it passes in the northern part of South America. Okay, here the equator lies. Okay, the Tropic of Capricorn is a line of latitude which passes in mid part of South America and equator in a northern part. Okay, this continent is connected to the North America. Okay, from the Isthmus of Panama. Here, this continent is connected to the North America from Isthmus of Panama. The isthmus means a land which connects two continents. Okay, the isthmus means what? A land which connects two continents. The Isthmus of Panama is connect North America and South America here. Okay. Isthmus of Panama. And this continent is also surrounded by the water bodies. Okay, and when we come to west, there is a Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, and here east we have Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and in the south direction we have the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. And in the north side we also have a Caribbean Sea. Okay, and next this continent it had a 12 independent nations or 12 sovereign countries it had. Okay. Let me erase here. If you want to take a photo, you can take. And the largest country of this continent is Brazil. Ecuador is here, and the next country is Peru. Here Chile, and Argentina. Here Argentina and Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay. Next, Uruguay. Okay, see, these are our 12 independent countries which located in our South American continent. These are our 12 independent nations in South America. Apart from this, the South America it also comprises some part of France. Some part of the France. And next here many islands also there. In north side we see the ABC island. These are a non-sovereign country, non-sovereign areas. Okay, non-independent areas. Okay, because these islands were under control of Britishers. And next some other islands were in south is the Folk Island. Folk Islands in the south we have. This is also under control of Netherlands. ABC Island are under control of the Britishers. Now here just recall all this topic about the South America. Okay, here see the first is the fourth largest continent, and next The total area of this continent is 17,840 million square kilometers, and it covers 1/8 of a land on this earth. And here next latitude. Okay, the 12 degree, it extends 12 degree north latitude to 55 degree south latitude. Okay, latitude means imaginary lines run from the east to west. Okay, imaginary lines run from the east to west, and the largest line of latitude is the equator. Okay, which divide Earth into northern hemisphere and then southern hemisphere. Now longitude 35 degree west to 81 degree west. Longitude means imaginary lines run from north pole to south pole. Okay, the north pole to south pole is the longitude. Longitude means what? Imaginary lines which run from the north pole to south pole. This is not an actual lines are there. And the largest line of longitude is a prime meridian. Okay, which divide Earth into two hemispheres. That is the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Okay, here and this continent is surrounded by the water. On west side the Pacific Ocean, and east the Atlantic Ocean, and south we have the Southern Ocean. And its continent is connected to North America by Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus means what? A land which connected two continents. Okay, and next we have 12 independent countries are there, and some islands also here, such as ABC Islands and Folk Island. And equator, it runs in north part, and Tropic of Capricorn is in the mid part of South America. Okay, equator is here. Equator in northern part and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, if you want to take a picture, you can take.